These niggas missing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the shit, but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas quit it. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Ay, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah. Look, shit, I chase hits to make some real shit. Something that they feel shit. Cause all I know is speaking on some shit I really deal with. Like how I and in the morning didn't feel shit. Was tired of being single, so I went and got a real. Like how my homies quit and left this rap. So now I'm grinding dolo in they absence, nook. But I'm still sticking to the plan, cause I mapped it, nook. And I don't care about going slow, just not backwards. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Ay, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah. Look, Nick don't really want it that bad, I see it clearly now. But me, I really want it that bad, my grind is eerie now. First I write the songs, mix the songs and shoot the videos. On my iPhone, shit is serious, you hear me though? I ain't got no label backing me, it's just me and my girl. So when I blow up, I'ma give it a whirl. Cause I'm overly focused and overly thorough. When it's all said and done, they're gon' build me a moral. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Ay, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Ay, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah.
So we got the Whipple, we got all these other parts in here for Vibrant Performance, from the Taser people, from our good friends over at Taser, and Mishimoto. And we're gonna go drop all this off at the shop and get this car running even faster than what it has been now. This thing has some weight to it for sure.
Wait, hold on.
We got everything in here now. I'll fix some boxes. We got everything in here for the long haul, and I feel like this is a really big video that I feel like this is a good video to like celebrate 400,000, because it's a true testament to how far we've come from freaking working on stuff with the V6 right in this garage on this in front of this very house, so now we got a fully built Hellcat now. Truck, parts, and a whole lot more opportunity, so I guess we'll see how everything goes. Alright guys, we are now putting on the 3.8 Whipple with the Superchargers, taking the 3.0 off. That is not going anywhere, but we are upgrading. We have that, we have the 130 throttle body, which is inside of here. We have our AM fittings that are going to be going for the crossover lines and making this thing look dope. Alright, y'all, so I am pretty much done. I just gotta pull the Whipple off. Damn, I gotta separate it because it's stuck on there. But everything's disconnected. My injectors, my fuel rails, the members taken all off, sitting right here. All the vacuum ports, all this stuff. This is that Kong port on the 3.0. We're gonna pull this thing off the car, then put the new 3.8 on there after I clean off the heads and throw in the throttle body, get everything ready to go. These are the old lines. We're going to be using AN fittings on this thing to make it look really clean. And take off this pulley, put that on there, Grip Tech 3.0. We may go with the 325 first so we can see what it does, see how much boost it makes, because this one we were only running about 17 pounds, 18 pounds, whatever, what did I say it was, like 220 kPa or something like that, something really low, 230 kPa for 17, 18 pounds. And also I need to change out the coil packs because these things are all faded now. I'm gonna go back to all stock, paint my valve covers, or just get some all black ones, and yeah. Alright, so maybe this is an exclusive or first kind of look deal. You can see which one's a 3.8 and which one's a 3.0 just off of this perspective. The rotor pack on this one is way bigger than the rotor pack on the 3.0. It is much taller. The snout is much larger. That's ported, and this one's a 130 and it's still bigger than that. It's, like I said, taller. You can see over there it's still kind of the same lid, but yeah, this thing is pretty big. The runners are integrated on this one. The runners on this one can come apart. This one is plumbed for nitrous. You can see here by those two ports right there, but they're capped off. This one is not. We have to run some spacer plates or something like that, or something through the intake to spray a shot in there, but we're just going to be running blower only for right now. They moved some sensors around, like this map sensor on this one is at the front instead of the rear, like right here, which makes it easier to service. This one is in its factory location, and you have your boost reference for the triple pump fuel system, your hop switch. But yeah, so we're gonna toss this one on the car, fill it up with oil first, and then yeah. Alright, so here we have the Whipple 130 compared to the 120. You can see the difference. It's pretty big. This one, they always do that comparison. A lot bigger. So we're gonna throw this baby on there and see how it goes. We don't need an adapter or anything, it just bolts right on. So Throw an O-ring in there and make it do what it do. Alright, and the 3.8 is on. Not all the way, but just on there, mocked up, so we can, you know, see what's different, where we gotta move stuff to. But it is sticking out. But yeah, man, this throttle body is freaking huge. Blower is freaking tall. So, but yeah, we're gonna keep cranking away at this thing, and I'll show y'all what it looks like once it's all finished up, and some sound clips of it whining.